Today we will solve the problems from the chapter number 10 Math NCERT, question number 12 to 15. Give me. In this chapter, basically the problems are on mensuration. That means perimeter and area. Perimeter and area of rectangle, square, triangle. Okay. So everybody open page number 213. In the previous day, we have solved different problems from this chapter. Some questions are given. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. Two sides of a rectangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and perimeter is also given 36 centimeter. What is the third side? We have already solved yesterday that suppose this is the triangle A, B, C. One is 12 semi, another is 14 semi. Suppose it is 14 semi and perimeter is given 36 semi. So you know that the perimeter of a rectangle, is the sum of the all sides. Sum of the all sides. So if sum of the all side is perimeter, so perimeter is given. So third side will be, how will we find third side? That means from the perimeter, the sum of two sides will be subtracted. That means 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter, very easy, because two sides are given and their perimeter is also given of the triangle. So perimeter means AB plus BC plus AC, but the length of AB and BC is given. So from the perimeter, if you subtract the sum of two sides, then we will get the third side. Okay. Next, problem number 13. Problem number 13. What is the question? Find the cost of the fencing a square part of side 200 centimeter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. That means to fencing, to round the field, okay, to give the wire around a park or any kind of figure. That means you have to find out the perimeter. Okay. So suppose it is a rectangular part, MNOP. It is a rectangular part. Each side is 250 meter. 250 meter. That means all sides are equal. So 250 meter. It is also 250 meter. You have to find the cost of fencing the part. So at first you have to find out the perimeter. Now perimeter means the sum of four sides, of 4 into side. So 4 into side. That means 1000 meter. 1000 meter is the perimeter perimeter of the rectangle of the square path. Now what is the question? Find the cost of fencing. Find the cost of fencing a square path, that means this path, at the rate of 20 per meter. So cost for fencing. Cost for fencing per meter, that means 1000 meter is the perimeter of the square path, and the cost of fencing at the rate of 20 rupees per meter, that means 1000 into 20, 1000 into 20 rupees 121, that means 20,000 rupees, 20,000. The cost will be rupees 20,000. This is question number 13. Now come to the next question. Come to the next question. Question number 14. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular path of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of 12 rupees per meter. So it is just like that, but the figure, it was square, it was a square, but this is a rectangular path. And so at first I am drawing the rectangular path. Suppose it is a rectangular path A, B, C, D, rectangular path. Okay, its length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter. It is also have to fence. So at first find out the perimeter of the rectangular path. So perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. What is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length 175 plus 125. That means 300 most probably. 300 into 2. 300 into 2. That means, you omit the bracket, 600 meter. 600 meter. Now in this case, what will be the cost for fencing per meter? 12 rupees. So cost for fencing. Okay, 600 meter is perimeter, and for each per meter, that means each meter, rupees 7,200. Next question number 15. It is a rectangular path, length 175 meter, breadth 125 meter. So to fence the both sides, what will be the total length? 600 meter, and for fencing per meter, it will be cost rupees 12. So 12 into 600. Next question number 15. Next question number 15. Sweetie runs around a square path of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs a rectangular path whose length and breadth is length 60 meter, breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? That means Sweetie and Bulbul, both they covered a perimeter of rectangular shaped field and another a square shaped field. So draw the figure at first in either side. Sweetie runs a square path. So Sweetie runs a square path. Suppose ABCD is a square path and its side was 75 meter. So all sides are 75. But Bulbul runs a rectangular path. Suppose it is MNOP. Okay. And its side is 60 meter and breadth is 40 meter. Okay. Two friends covered two kinds of figure, two kinds of field. Okay. So it is the rectangular square part. It is the rectangular part. Sweetie covers the square part. Bulbul covers the rectangular part. That means who covers less distance. That means find out the perimeter. Here also perimeter. 4 into side. 300 meter. And is also perimeter find. 2 into length plus breadth. 200 meter. Very easy. Just the problem is given to compare. To compare between two friends, they covered a square part, a rectangular. Understand? Who cover less distance? Bulbul cover less distance. Okay. So in this way, you will solve the other problems.